Hello everyone, welcome to AITS Tips and Tricks for HMI Application 2023 R2. Today we are going to talk about the MBTCP communication driver and how to configure it in the InTouch application regardless of where the PLC is located. So let's begin. Firstly, we need to open the OCMC from the AVEVA folder, Operation Control Management console. Press on Operations Integration Server Manager, Default Group, Local. Since my PLC is located on my local node, so we will take the IP address of my local node. Here we have several communication drivers. We will use the MBTCP, the Modbus. Of course, MBTCP is inactive, indicated by the red X here. Configuration, port, PLC. The network address is the IP address of my node, 192.168.1.1, and leave the remaining data or options as a default. Next, the device group. We have three main device group: fast, normal, slow. We can use any of them, and we can add a new topic 1. Next, be careful about the naming of the topic 1. Next, the device item. Here, the device item represent the tag names and the addresses from the PLC. I have already prepared a Excel file here. Excel file. In the column A, the access names, and the column B is the addresses. So this Excel file should be imported in the OCMC device item. Right-click, import from my desktop, PLC item list, and click open. Now we need to save the data. In the top right of my screen, click on the button save and activate the MBTCP activate until reboot, manual, start and stop. Now the configuration of MBTCP in the OCMC is done. Let's go back to the InTouch application to configure the tag name or the access name. Press the plus button to add a new access name. I will name it PLC sim. You can name it as whatever you want. The node name is where the PLC is located, 192.168.1.1. The application name should match or must match exactly the MBTCP, and also the topic name must match the topic 1 created previously in this section here. The same name exactly. After that, we leave the other options as a default and click add. Now, as shown, the PLC sim is created and I can connect it to the tag names in the InTouch application. Finally, there is a very useful feature in the OCMC that allows you to archive your configuration. To do that, simply right-click on the configuration, archive configuration set, name it, for example, test, and click archive. After that, you can restore the archived data anytime using this path. And thank you for watching.